English articles, a and the, use 16. In most cases, we don't use the definite article the with the names of diseases and illnesses. For example, AIDS, cancer, malaria. He died of complications from AIDS, not the AIDS. No one in my family has ever gotten cancer. However, there are always some exceptions. Some illnesses do require the definite article. For example, the flu, the measles, the mumps, the bubonic plague. Why isn't Bob at work today? I can't remember. He has the flu or the measles? I can't remember. And finally, some illnesses require the indefinite article. These are primarily for bodily aches and pains, growths, and attacks that your body experiences. For example, to have a cold, to have a heart attack, to have a tumor, to have a sore throat, have a sore back, to have a headache, to have a toothache, etc. But remember the rules that we went over before. When we introduce something, it starts indefinite and then becomes definite. Here's an example. He had a cold. The cold was very serious. She had a heart attack. The heart attack nearly killed her. This is a lot to remember, so write some examples down here. I'll be here to help. If you want to help me, click like on this video. Thank you so much. And subscribe and click this bell to get the newest videos.